Herbal treatments and remedies took my hair from this to this. And I'm sure a lot of people will ask how. Don't worry, calm down. I will explain to you. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a very powerful hair growth spray. Yes, this is a hairspray I use for myself. And you can check the internet. A lot of people use this to be able to grow out their hair healthy, long, and then full. In the course of the video, I will also be teaching you how you can use this the right way to be able to see massive results, because yes, there is the wrong way of using this thing and it will break off your hair if you use it wrongly. So stay tuned. So guys, our first ingredient is coriander. Yes, coriander is not really popular like that. Guess what? Somebody was asking me if this is fenugreek. No, it is not fenugreek. Take a close look at it. It is also a herb used for hair growth. It is a powerful one. So guys, the next ingredient is rosemary. Yep, we'll be making use of rosemary, and if you know me well, you will know that I don't do any herbal treatment without rosemary. Rosemary is a powerhouse. If you know, you know. It is considered one of the strongest herb for hair growth. You will see a lot of people using rosemary. It is that popular. So guys, our next ingredient is cloves. Yes, cloves is one other powerful herbal treatment used for hair growth. It is so popular because it works. Yes. So guys, right now I will wash off my fresh rosemary. If you have the dried rosemary, you can go ahead to use it, but I will be making use of this fresh one because that is what I have right now. So make sure you wash it very well if you're using fresh rosemary. So guys, in a clean pot, I'll just add in 1 cup of water because I will be making a very small badge. Like you all know me, I make small badges. I don't like keeping it for long. So guys, I will just put in my cloves. Yes, and then I will go in with my rosemary. Yep. And then I will lastly go in with 1 spoon of coriander. Yes, you can just use my measurement if you want to make a very small batch. And then guys, I will allow this boil for 5 to 10 minutes. That is enough. And right into how to use. Please allow it cool down before you transfer into your spray bottle. Yes, so I will be using a spray bottle and I will be focusing on my scalp. Yes, you can use this for your whole hair, but then I will not be using it on my whole hair today. Not today. Yes, I use it on my whole hair some other days, but then not today. I will be focusing directly on my scalp. And like I said in the beginning of the video, there is the right way of using these herbs. A lot of people come out to say that this thing doesn't work. They say that herbal treatments don't work. And honestly, I will tell you that they work. You're not just using them the right way. That is just the problem. Once you use it the wrong way, it will end up breaking off your hair because most of these herbs are really drying. Yes, and you would have to make sure to follow up with moisturizing. You have to moisturize your hair after using this kind of water-based herbal treatment. I have been preaching this for so long, and I've been able to help thousands of women to use herbs the right way to be able to see good results. So this information is basically, let's say, for the new people watching my video. Yes, if you do not know this, or if you have watched my video before and you are still doing it the wrong way, please repent. I beg you, please repent. You will not be able to see the effectiveness of these herbs. You will not be able to experience the power of what these herbs can do to your hair if you are doing it the wrong way. So please, I beg you, don't do it the wrong way. So guys, we cannot do this video without telling you the benefits of these herbs. You can also go online to check it up for yourself. Let's start with the first ingredient, coriander. Coriander promotes hair growth by strengthening the follicles, reducing hair loss, and stimulating scalp circulation through the high level of vitamin C and K, iron, and antioxidants. Next ingredient is cloves. Cloves promote hair growth by increasing scalp circulation, reducing inflammation, and combating dandruff, which can strengthen the follicles and reduce hair loss. Clove is rich in eugenol and antioxidants. It stimulates the hair follicles and nourishes the scalp, potentially fostering thicker, healthier hair, and also reduces serious breakage. So guys, before we move on to the next herb, I want you to observe in the video that after spraying my scalp, I went in with my hair oil. For this, you can use any hair oil that is suitable for your scalp, but I will advise that you use lightweight oils. Please, lightweight oils for your scalp so that your scalp will be able to absorb all that goodness. Yes, this step is actually really important because the spray can dry up your scalp and you wouldn't want that, so you have to follow up with your oil. So our last ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp, acting as a natural antioxidant and reducing inflammation. Guys, studies have shown that it may be as effective as minoxidil for hair growth. It strengthens the follicles, reduces breakage, treats dandruff, and help prevent premature graying. I will always choose natural ways to grow my hair because God has actually given us all we need. We don't just know it. These things are really strengthening. I know a lot of people will be like, oh, how would you just say that? You just apply this on your hair and then it helps your hair grow. Guys, these things have the power to strengthen your hair so they don't break off. Yes, they have all that nutrients like I just read out to you. So you can also do your research about this and then go ahead to use them, and I promise you, you will not regret. I have a lot of DIY herbal spray, herbal oil, herbal butters that I make on this channel, herbal shampoos, yes, and then guys, you can check them up. I will also be giving you a lot of other recipes that I have used and also new ones that I will be using on my hair. Do not take herbal treatments for granted at all. Yes guys, as you can see at the beginning of the video, you can see how short my hair was, but see where my hair is right now. And as at early this year or early last year, I had to cut off 4 inches of my hair. Yes, I had to do that. So my hair is even supposed to be way longer than this, and please don't mind what my hair is looking like right now. It's all shrinked up. It's seriously shrinked up because this protective style is up to 2 months. Yes, please guys, don't forget to massage your scalp. Any questions, ask in the comment section. Bye.